said, is there anything your homeboys could do that finally make you be like, look, man, you're a liability. I gotta cut ties with you.
No, if you cross me or snake me, something like that, yeah. But other than that, ain't nothing that's real for me to cut off my family.
See, that's why we need more black-owned businesses right there.
Why is that?
Because he can hire people like King
yeah,
Von.
absolutely. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Von wouldn't be able to get a job nowhere else probably.
Over it.
Shit, when you get to that line, have you ever been convicted of?
He a dentist, nigga.
Have you ever
No
been
experience is doing nothing. I ain't, you know.
All right.
Word.